Hey, so my name is Sarah Wilder. I'm with Solar Energy International, and we're out here doing a 3-day training. This is part of the Environmental Worker Track, which is a 3-week boot camp offered to women interested in pursuing different careers related to the environment. This particular 3-day training is a collaboration between Oregon Tradeswomen, Solar Energy International, OSEIA, which is the Oregon Solar Energy Industry Association, and the Energy Trust of Oregon. So we've spent the mornings in the classroom learning about solar technology and doing some, electrical calculations, and we spend the afternoons in the lab yard actually putting the stuff together so they can take what they learn up there and apply it right into the field. And the whole point of this course is to prepare these women for possible careers in the solar industry. It's been really cool. We have a group of eight women. Many of them have had no construction experience before they got here, but they are interested in a solar career. It is actually kind of crazy how few women there are in the trades in general, but in the solar industry and particularly in solar installation, there's just not a lot of women that have gone this path, but I think that it's an excellent career choice. It was what I personally chose. I spent about 10 years installing solar PV systems.
My name is Carol Weiss, and I work for Remote Energy, and I teach for Solar Energy International. I think it's really important to have women-specific classes because a lot of times in co-ed classes you'll see that women tend to hang off to the side, or they're not as comfortable with just trying new tools. And in all women's classes, there's this whole new dynamic and energy that happens, and so I really enjoy teaching women's only classes as well as co-ed classes.
I got into this class because I'm really curious about electricity in particular, and so the solar panel stuff is particularly interesting to me.
This has been the best training in this whole program because we're actually hands-on, actually doing it. Sitting in the classroom is not for me. I'd rather be in it and know exactly how to do it the day-to-day of the job, so it's been great.
So what we want to do is just do these trainings, more often, ideally a few times a year.
It's definitely interesting, and it's of a track of electrical that I hadn't even thought of before. It just didn't even occur to me. And then, I just found out there's an apprenticeship that you can go through to do solar panels specifically, as opposed to just going through the electrical trade. So it's something I have to think about.